Okay, so we would like to do number 7 in 3.2, which says what? Find a formula for this, right? Okay, so assuming this is a parabola, right? Because otherwise I'm kind of not playing the same game. So how do I start? What did you start with, Candace?
The vertex, H, found H and K.
Okay, so your vertex is minus 6 comma 9, right? And so you're thinking this thing had a left 6 and a up 9 happen to it, right? Okay, so I got my squaring thing, right? Okay, see that? The up 9's pretty easy. How do you get a left 6?
X plus 6.
Good, you put an x plus 6 in your squaring. You guys all see that? Okay, then what else? Yeah, the compression thing is kind of up for interpretation now, right? Because I've got this vertex peg, but it certainly could look like this instead, right? And so that's what this point's for, right? What else do you know about this thing?
It's flipped on the x-axis.
Yeah, good. It's also flipped, right? Vertical or horizontal?
It's vertical.
Vertical. Okay, so how do I accomplish a vertical flip in my kind of proto formula over here?
-1 on the x sub 6 squared.
Negative in front of the squaring thing? Okay, so this is like my thought for p of x, right? Where's the other thing come in? Like, what did I screw up here? I got a little ambitious, right?
-7.
Yeah, there might be some kind of number here, right? So there's like a negative k or something?
Negative A.
A is what the book uses?
Yeah. So then you plug in the
So you plug in what?
negative 15.
Okay, good. So this is a point, right? This point is a negative 15 comma 0, which is a what comma what pair? Because it's on the graph.
It is an input comma output.
Good. It's an input-output pair because it's on the graph, right? Okay, so if it's an input-output pair, I should be able to put negative 15 in there and get 0 out. So let me try p of negative 15, which should be 0. You guys see that? So on the other side, what do I get here? I got minus a times,
Negative 15 plus 6.
which is
15 plus 6.
negative 9 squared plus 9. You're making a arithmetic mistake.
Yes, the negative A. Oh, well, ended up with a negative 9 divided by a negative 81. And well, that's a positive number. And it's supposed to be flipped.
Yeah, so what have I got here? I got
81.
81. So I got negative a times 81 plus 9 equals 0. So how do you solve? Okay, so solve. Right? Get a is
1 over 9.
1 over 9.
Negative 1 over 9.
Is it negative or positive?
It's negative.
A
Because
is
it's flipped.
positive.
So a is positive, but that negative needs to be there in the formula, right? So your p, right, your p of x, your ultimate formula here, should be negative 1 over 9 times x plus 6 squared plus 9. You guys all with me on that?
Yeah.
So however you slice this, right, there better be a negative left over on the outside there. You really could have run this whole thing without noticing the negative a. If you run this with just an a there, in the end here you'll get a negative 1,9. You guys see that? So like if you didn't notice the flip, but just forced this to happen, it'll force the flip anyway.
Will that work
See that?
every time or just in this one?
Sure. That'll
That's
work.
what I did.
Yeah, that'll work all the time. If you just kind of blindly shove this crap into the formula, Usually it'll come out right. I would prefer if you guys thought about it a little bit more, but whatever.
Right.
Cool? Questions, thing?
No, great.
Bottom 44.